Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. We're going to be talking about PROGENITY, PROG stock, giving you guys an update on what exactly is going on. Tons of people are probably upset about PROGENITY. It's down 8.53% by the day, but the whales have been loading up, guys. The whales have been absolutely loading the F up. So I'm not worried at all. I'm actually pretty comfortable with this stock, even though there are some technical risks, which we'll go over in a second. If you guys don't mind leaving that early like on the video, liking the video is the #1 thing you guys can do to help me out here on this channel. Also, subscribe for more content. Hit that post notification bell down below. And if you wanted to join the trade alerts, boom, you can click that link right there, or hit that join button down below. Anything's welcome. Without further ado though, let's just get right into it. So as you guys can see here, we have PROGENITY. It broke through that 200 moving average yesterday. We saw that right at open, broke right through, then it bounced right back up, but it's pretty much been using this 25 moving average as a resistance level. I mean, it used it right here, kind of, not really. Right here it used it, and then right here it used the 25 moving average as resistance, but it's also using this Fibonacci band as support. So it's kind of just teeter-tattering between the 25 moving average and the Fibonacci band, and maybe that's what's going to end up happening. Maybe we get another dip down to about $3 per share before exploding back up. I don't know, but another technical risk right here is that the 200 moving average and the 25 moving average have crossed. Now, these technical risks are playing out, but I can't ignore the fact that whales are loading up like absolute crazy. It was almost 100% bullish premium today, which is wild. Yesterday we saw that weird put buying before close. We didn't get that today, so today was almost entirely bullish, and I made sure to check my premium amounts. I made sure to look at different things, see what's going on, and nothing looked like any bears were sneaking through the cracks. So I'm proud about that. If you guys wanted to check out this technical analysis software, this is WeBull desktop. Right here, it has everything. It has the options data. It has technical analysis charts. It has Bollinger Bands, VWAP, MACD, RSI, financial statements, analyst ratings. You're starting to get the point. Order flow, level 2 data. It's got pretty much everything. You could trade cryptocurrencies on it. If you wanted to check it out, the link is in the description below or the pinned comment section. WeBull desktop again, and they're giving away up to $2,300 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least 1 penny on this platform. If you guys don't have a penny, you should probably not be watching this video. Yeah, it's also on iOS and Android, and yeah, it's definitely worth checking out if you guys haven't already. But without further ado, let's just get right into the juice. Anyways, we have it on the SHO regulation threshold list still right here at PROGENITY.com. Boom. Yeah, did I just say PROGENITY.com? Is it a .com? I don't even know. But we have PROGENITY down there on the list. We're still #1 on the short squeeze leaderboard. It has the #1 risk of having a short squeeze for an amazing reason, for a fantastic reason. Now it's a threshold security still, as marked by the T. BTBT also threshold securities, and GROM also threshold securities. Tons of these threshold securities end up being towards the top of this list. It makes sense because there's all these failure to deliver. There's all this naked shorting that has to be covered. There's the normal shorting too. There's the put option as well. And at the end of the day, PROGENITY is up. I mean, it's up, way up from its lows. So, and it's right at the 61% level on the fib band. So tons of shorts are hurting. Majority of the short interest is actually hurting on PROGENITY, believe it or not. Even though it's been a few red days in a row, they're still hurting. And we still have all of these ORTEX signals right here. The type 3 right here, available in 21 days. The other ones closed. The type 1 and type 2 closed for some profit. Right here, the type 3 again, available in 13 days. And then this type 3 right here, available in 6 days. So I think we're in for a wild ride. We have another type 3 right here, available in 8 days. So guys, there's still 4 outstanding short squeeze signals on ORTEX. It has amazing data. We'll get into that in just a second, but Fintel's bullish on it, the whales are bullish on it, and ORTEX is bullish on it, and Hootmoney is bullish on it, most importantly. So at the end of the day, I don't know. I think I know where this one's going. I think we're going to see some cataclysmic gains, but that doesn't have to excuse that we have to do our due diligence. We got to do our due diligence right here. You guys can see we got the ORTEX data sitting at 37.73% short interest. 24 million shares are currently being shorted. We actually got more return shares today than borrowed shares, interesting enough. But the cost to borrow has also been coming back up a bit. We're now at 139%. Utilization still at 99.89. I think the only reason it's not at 100% is because I don't know. I mean, there's no way that just 0.11% of the float can be shorted. It's been at 99.89 this whole time, so maybe that 0.11% is just their fault for not having all the data. I don't know. I mean, we get 85% of prime brokers data. I can't tell you why it's not 100%, but it's gonna be as close as 100% as possible. I doubt you can short this stock on any broker. I've never tried it. I've only bought this stock. I like the stock, but at the end of the day, the short interest data, it's probably a lot higher. We just got that failure to deliver those estimates yesterday. It's still on the threshold list, and we also saw that huge amount of put buying before close. That's how they're adding short interest now that they can't short the stock too much. It's a lot higher. So this days to cover number, you can almost throw it out the window because of derivatives, failure to delivers, naked shorts, all of that stuff. It's a lot higher than just 37%. That's my point here. Anyways, we can take a look at the Fintel, get a better idea of what is going on. Fintel has less data than ORTEX, so keep that in mind. Again, number one on that short squeeze list, they said about 400,000, my bad, shares are available to be shorted. So that makes sense. There's still some shares. They're still going to find some shares. There's always going to be some share that can be shorted somehow. But at the end of the day, if the stock goes up, they're all going to have to cover. And that's just how it works. Fintel has the borrow fee going up. It was at 67% on November 1st. Now it's at 84% according to Fintel. ORTEX also has that borrow fee coming right up. And we've got the combined dark pool data again. Almost 50%. It's absolutely ridiculous. 50% short volume is way too high. That was as of yesterday, 48%. So at the end of the day, I don't know. I don't know where they're getting the stocks to short. I don't know how, like, who's giving it to them. I don't know how they can have 50% of the total volume be short volume, but they're doing it. And eventually these shorts will have to cover once this stock goes on a parabolic, cataclysmic, killing everything type of rally. You know, we're gonna go parabolic, and I'm pretty confident with that. Again, we had these enormous amounts of failure to delivers. We went over that in the video yesterday, so check that out if you guys wanted to see that. But all we really have left is the unusual whales data, and we don't have any premium right here. We have $0 or more because we wanted to see if any bears were sneaking through the cracks today. Ask side only to see if we're straight buying calls, buying puts. They didn't have it today. We scrolled down, nothing. None of that spamming of puts before close that we saw yesterday. Maybe they watch my videos. Maybe they're scared now. Maybe they're trying to figure out a different strategy to sneak it under the cracks. But at the end of the day, it's been extremely bullish, and we can go, boom, 10,000 premium or more, back to our old previous whale filters that we've been using this whole entire time. Still extremely bullish. This is 100% bullish, guys. If we look at the charts again, 100% bullish. Do you see red? Do you see any red? Do you see any puts? No one's buying puts. And you know, if it was profitable buy puts, a whale would be buying puts, but they're not buying puts. They're buying calls. 100% of them. Every single whale. Everyone who's using over $10,000 in premium is buying call options because they think stonk go up. Stonk do go up. Stonk will go up. I think stonk will go up. I think ORTEX thinks stonk will go up. Fintel thinks stonk will go up. Whales think stonk will go up. Anyways, they're targeting the 11.19 as always, followed by the 121 2022, then the 12.17 2021, going for that $3.5 strike price, which is out of the money, meaning that there is likely some upside from the current position. I wouldn't be trapped out of it because there's a technical risk. Everything else is looking up for PROGENITY in general. I'm not going to be like, oh, it touched this line, it did this line, these lines crossed. That's not going to stop me from investing in a multi-bagger stock. What's going to stop me from investing in a multi-bagger stock is when shorts finally freaking cover. That's when I stop buying this stock, all right? All right, and I'm not saying to go speculate on out-of-the-money call options. You should probably buy the stock, but I'm not going to stop until they buy back the stock, right? because that's what they got to do. Short sellers got to cover. They got to cover. They will cover. I'm confident in it. High short squeeze risk. Anyways, the call option volume was down again to the levels that it was just the other days. We're waiting for that move. Obviously, it was a down day. People are scared. But at the end of the day, whales are still loading up. It wasn't as much whale volume as usual, but they're still loading the F up. And we can see right here, the biggest trades today were a bunch of different floor traders right here. 330,000, 135,000, 135,000, 110,000. These were 15 minutes before close. All bullish call options being played here. Some of them were 121, 2022. Some other ones were 11, 19, 2021. I don't really care. If you're buying call options, you think stonk go up. I want stonk to go up. I think stonk go up. Who else thinks stonk go up? 8 out of 10 of these biggest option trades think stonk go up. I think you guys are getting the point. PROGENITY has tons of bullish momentum behind it. Even on these red days, it is mostly the whales are thinking green. It's probably you guys that are selling. I bet you guys are scared right now. No offense. No offense. I love each and every single one of you, especially if you're subscribed to me and you like the video. You guys are the best people on earth. But I know that retail loves to FOMO. We had AMC going up. We had GME going up. We had Bed Bath & Beyond going beyond the moon today. All right, so people like to FOMO. People see other plays. People see this stock going down. People see the technicals. But people don't always see what the whales are doing. People don't digest this ORTEX Fintel data. People don't understand the positions that shorts are in, which is why I'm trying to educate you guys. But at the end of the day, these shorts are paying hand over fist to continue to short this stock. And eventually, once the apes settle in and we lay down that buy button and we just beat up that buy button like it doesn't exist anymore, then we're going to get some parabolic rises and shorts are going to be forced into covering this stock. There's no running away from this. Shorts can't just say, oh, poof, I deleted the app. I don't owe the money anymore. All right? They're going to get margin called eventually. They're going to have Big Daddy Brokerage knocking down their door saying, hey, we need those shares. All right? We need those shares. In 11/19, tons of call options are expiring in the money. We're going to have to deliver those shares. There's tons of failure to deliver. There's so much behind PROGENITY, and I can't explain it enough. This is an insane stock. It's got insane technicals behind it, and it's giving me huge it's going to have the biggest squeeze, all right? You're seeing Avis Budget Group go up like 100% in a day. That's going to look like baby gains when PROGENITY squeezes. If you're scared now and you're not seeing the bigger picture, you shouldn't be in the stock in the first place. Anyways, that's my spiel. That's my rant. This stock is going to go crazy, but I have to give the disclaimer that it's not financial advice, and if you lose money buying this stock, it's not my fault. All right? So there we have it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video if you guys did. Subscribe for more and hit that bell down below. We go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m., 30 minutes before open. We get that bread. We do jumping jacks. We have a lot of fun, and it's a good time here over at the Hootmoney community. If you guys wanted to sign up for WeBull, links below in the description, pin comment section, up to $2,300 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1. This is going to be amazing. Buy some PROGENITY. Anyways, trade alerts, boom, right there, or the join button down below. And that's about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace.